job.
I teach health science, I teach public safety.
Realityworks and Guilford County Schools recently partnered to bring students at GCS's Summer Career Accelerator Camp engaging hands-on career exploration opportunities. Hands-on simulators and trainers were successfully incorporated into several camp segments, including Camp Seeds and Sprouts, Camp Animal Farm,
Good, we got?
Camp Med EMT, Camp Med Medical Assisting,
30, I'll give 2, and then we'll switch.
and Camp
You
WWE.
got strip at least, how much?
Side cutters included, and so you're gonna trim for.
And then he starts working between 7:30 and 8.
My name is Derek Tabron. I'm an electronic CTE teacher here at Weaver Academy. We have a welding and wiring camp here for this summer. The simulation versus going out and actually using raw materials, then wasting those raw materials if you're messing up. You get to practice here and learn.
If you feel like you can excel in it and learn your skills, then I feel like this could help you just work on the skills before you actually get to welding something and mess it up like this.
I am Holly Poore, the Executive Director for Career and Technical Education for Guilford County Schools. Under our Superintendent, Dr. Oakley, she really wants to expose our students to various post-secondary pathways, really just looking at what our employers need, what those occupational needs are, having that common mission to really prepare in our talent pipeline for what's to come after high school graduation.
I'm Vernon McCam, the CTE Director of Operations. Just wanted to speak to our partnership with Realityworks as it relates to our Summer Accelerator programs. Realityworks has been a great partner for Guilford County CTE Department for a number of years, from our health science programs to ag to the skills trades. It allows us to further enhance the programs that we're implementing for our students. The hands-on skills that are provided with these items fit perfectly, and it really provides a very rich experience for our students.
For more information on Realityworks products and programs, visit www.realityworks.com.